Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to do some burgers. I was going to do them out in the grill, but it's hotter than Hades out there and I don't tolerate the heat very well anymore, so we're going to do them in here on the flat top griddle. They're going to be mushroom and pepper jack cheese burgers, so hope y'all like that. And remember, click that like button, hit the subscribe, and ring the bell for all the notifications, and you guys do that, I'll get ready to start cooking. See you in a minute. Alright y'all, here's our ingredients, what we're going to cook tonight. Got our Angus burgers from Walmart. Got some organic baby bella mushrooms. We're going to slice those up. And we got some pepper jack cheese. So let me get this stuff here opened up and ready to go, and we'll get to cutting and get to cooking. Bring it right back. Alright y'all, got the mushrooms all washed up. We're going to slice up some of this pepper jack cheese here. Just need a few slices. Well, I got 3 burgers to cook, so I'm figuring like 3 slices per burger. And if it's too much, then we'll have a snack. Alright, that looks like enough. We're going to throw those up here on a little plate and get our baby bella mushrooms. Let's see if we can't slice those up nice and easy. Try not to cut myself. Did that in the video. It's not enjoyable. So. And I was going to do these on the grill, but it's hotter than Hades out there, and humid as heck, and I don't suffer the humidity very well, so I'm going to cook them in here on the griddle. Won't taste as good as the grill, but you know, it is what it is. I want burgers with mushrooms and pepper jack cheese. This is what I got to do to have them. So. One more mushroom. Alright. Nope. That one's hiding. Alright, there it is. Stuff's all ready. I'm going to shut you guys off, get the griddle ready, and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all. Got the griddle out here. Got some butter on the griddle. I'm going to throw our mushrooms on there. Kind of like that. Right on top of that butter. Try to get them all up in there. And then I'm going to take this here metal lid. Cover it up like that. Just be careful I don't slide it around and scratch my non-stick griddle. And then we're going to put these burgers on here. A little bit of butter burger there. And we're just going to season them up with a little bit of salt. This is coarse ground sea salt. A little bit of pepper. I can already hear that those mushrooms cooking away under there. So we got a little pepper on there. What else should we put on there? So we got any onion powder? We got onion powder. Look at that. We even got some garlic powder. We'll put some garlic powder on there too. I know, I'm unprepared. Unprepared. A little onion powder. Been seriously considering getting one of those Blackstone griddles, but again, that would be outside. Days like today, I wouldn't be able to be out there. Well, I would, but I'd be melting. So, alright, got them going. I'm going to take my cutting board out, away from back here. Oh, look at that. We got a mushroom that's trying to escape. Get under there. Alright. Where's my spatula? Spatula! 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 So, alright. Let them cook a little bit, and then we'll bring you all back whenever we're further on into the process. So, see you in a few. Alright, y'all. I just flipped these burgers one time here. When you're cooking, whether it's in the frying pan on the grill or whatever, don't smush your burgers. Some of you may eat your burgers. I don't know. I don't care. But anyways, don't smash them. All you're doing is pushing all the juices out of them. Let them juices stick in there and, you know, hang out and be mellow and make a delicious burger. So let's check these mushrooms. Ooh, them things are looking mighty fine up in there. So I think just a little bit longer on them, and those will be done. We can pull them off, and we can toast our buns. So there you have it. A little PSA for the burger smushing. So bring y'all back when we're a little further along. Alright, y'all. Got them mushrooms off. I'm gonna start toasting my buns now. The way I do it, just drag a little of the butter that's left over from the mushrooms and some of the juice from the burgers over. Kind of walk your lid in it there a little bit. Throw that in there. You know, kind of sop up some of that goodness. There you go. Throw those two up there. I'm going to move these burgers around a little bit here. Get a little bit of that goodness there. Yep. Throw that over there. One more half here. Look at that. Well, we need a little bit more, so we're going to drag that one down that way. Oh yeah, look at that. Just throw them suckers over there. We're going to flip these ones over again. Oh yeah. We're cooking with gas now, buddy. Look at that. That's a nice thing I like about these Angus burgers from Walmart. And that's not a paid sponsor or anything. I paid for these out of my pocket. They don't shrink up. They don't, you know, get like that big, you know, after you get them cooked up. They hold their shape and hold their size nicely. So, but all right, enough of me rambling. Well, let's check these suckers. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, we're toasting up nicely. Check them first two. That one's getting close. Oh yeah. Now you can smush these to get the centers down. Don't smush your burgers. Buns, smush. Smush, smush. Burgers, no smush. So, alright. I'm going to finish doing this up here. We'll bring y'all back. Alright, y'all. These suckers are done. Done. So we're going to top them with a few mushrooms here. Try to evenly disperse my mushrooms through my mouth. Look at that. They're trying to escape again. We ain't having that. Put a couple more on that one. A couple more on that one. Put that down in the sink. Alright. There's our mushrooms. Yeah, I'm using my fingers. Put our hot pepper jack cheese on there. I was wrong. We only needed a couple pieces per burger. But we may go ahead and throw that third one on there. We don't know. Look at that. Yep, we're going to. Look at that. We're going to cross it over like that. Cross it up. Spice it up. Alright. Take our lid from our mushrooms. Set it on top of there. We're going to melt that cheese, and we'll bring y'all right back. Alright, y'all. Cheese is all melted on them. We're going to flop these things onto a couple of buns that we've already... Whoa, whoa, whoa! You're getting away from us. Oh no. Toppings come off. We can't have that. Put that back on there. Alright, now, try this again. There we go. Look at that. Got it on there. These things just don't want to be eaten today. I think it's in mushrooms, honestly. Alright. I'm going to Put this on a plate back here because I'm going to eat that one later for tomorrow for lunch. Take my lunch with me to work. So. I like the little crispies, so. Alright. In a second, we'll bring you all back and finish these burgers off. Alright, y'all. Got them off the griddle. Sorry, not grill. You've seen the toppings try to escape on that one. Not good. I'm not going to put anything on these like mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, any of that kind of stuff. No pickles, no onions. Just the buns. And sorry for the noise. We're going to do potato chips today. So let's there we go. Burgers and chips and burgers. Burgers and chips. Alright, enough talking. Let's try one of these suckers. Okay, top got a mouthful. That is delicious. The pepper jack cheese, which I like, those fresh mushrooms, and them burgers from Walmart, the Angus burgers, is 95% lean ones, are awesome. And again, these are the they're fresh baked buns. You can't beat them fresh baked buns there. If you got a bakery, that's even better. I don't care for the buns that you buy from the plastic bag on the shelf thing from the grocery store. I like the fresh baked ones there. If you can get them from a regular bakery or from Walmart bakery, or if your grocery store has a bakery in it, get their fresh baked stuff. May not last as long. You may have to eat it up faster, but the taste and the quality 100% better. So there you have it. All right, there you have it, y'all. Some mushroom Swiss, or not mushroom Swiss. I like mushroom Swiss. Mushroom pepper jack on the fresh buns. A little side of cheddar potato chips there. Hope you all enjoyed it. Sorry I couldn't get out and do it on the grill, but like I said earlier there, it's just way too hot and humid out there for me to do that, and it wasn't happening today. So apologize, but we'll go get some more grilling videos out there. So anyways, thank you for stopping by, checking it out. Remember, Sunday nights, check out my live stream, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Swing by. We'll talk about anything y'all want to talk about. If you haven't already, please hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment down at the bottom whether you liked this. If you didn't like it, say, hey, we don't like that. Tell me. You know, it won't hurt my feelings. You know, it'll just curb what I cook. So, appreciate it. Catch you all on the next one. Bear appetit.